G'day, I'm Michael Westlake from the Courier Mail. I'm down at Bartons today to test drive one of Holden's hot new cars. We're going to test one of the latest ones to come onto the market, and to help us put it through its paces, we've got a couple of the boys from the Wynnum Manly Seagulls Rugby League Football Club. But it's training day today, so we've got to get cracking. You ready to go, boys? Not that one, lads. We're over here today. Let's hit the road.
G'day fellas.
G'day, mate. How you going, mate?
Yeah, good, how are you?
How'd
Looking fit, mate.
How'd the workout go?
Yeah, just trying to get swole. Trying to get big for the season, you know. Winter's nearly finished, I want to make sure I'm looking good.
Are you talking about football season or beach season?
Beach season's coming up,
yeah,
so, you know.
That's it. Football's just a secondary.
Yeah, that's it. Where have you boys been?
Well, we've just gone down to pick up this brand new Spark from down at Bartons, and we're giving it a bit of a test drive, so it's actually turned into the training party bus.
It's a nice car.
Goes all right, but Peter's just been telling me that after we pick you up, we've got to pick up Magnus.
Oh, big nuss. Big Magnus.
Then off to training.
That's it. So how do you guys go with the food bill? I mean, it must be astronomical, so many footballers in the same house.
I think we divvy it up pretty well. Myself and Pete, we don't eat as much as Magnus, as you'll soon find out. But yeah, it's not too bad.
Us wingers, we don't need to eat much.
What about pre-match rituals, boys? Do you have superstitions or anything like that?
Pete?
Nah, not really.
That's an absolute lie. Pete's the most superstitious person I've ever met. Yep. He jumps over cracks, he runs through posts, he does a lot, he says prayers, eats certain meals.
Yeah, you've pretty much covered most of that.
It's all good, it makes what Pete speaks, so it's all good.
There's a fine line between superstition and OCD, I think.
Yeah,
I think Pete's walking along that line.
I might be uncurable.
What sort of things do you do?
Where do you start?
Yeah.
How long's the drive?
Well, we've got them half
60 seconds.
We can make it last as long as you want. So, what happened to Magnus?
I think we're going to go and pick him up. Last sighting was at IKEA, but he could be just hanging around the streets outside the Leagues Club, hopefully.
Having to meet up to the standards that have been set by the teams that went before you?
I think Wynnum's has a rich history and a very proud playing career, and you know the club expects success. And this year, you know, we've done it tough and haven't quite gotten the results that we were after. You know, a lot of the things we're putting in place bodes well for a successful 2017, and you know, we set out high expectations because we want to make our fans and community proud of their football team.
Who's that standing in the driveway?
It's Magnus! Big fella!
Where does he come from?
He looks chock-a-block full of meatballs.
IKEA's done him wonders.
Oh.
Is he? He's filthy. He's dirty.
Belt him, Magnus, belt him!
We don't want any trouble, big fella.
We missed you, Maggie. How
Started
was
without
me?
You smell good.
Yeah,
What's that, meatballs?
What's going on?
Mate, you can't have smell through the camera. I don't know what you loaded up on the perfume for.
Peter! Bronco! Woo, 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 woo!